Hello everybody, it's the 4th of November. Forget about pottery, it's Tesla time, let's go! Ooh. Hi Jim.
How you doing, Simon?
Wow. You gonna show us a little bit about this Tesla?
Yeah, I'll show you all it is. As you can see, it's
do I?
A minimalist car.
Oh my gosh, isn't it?
Everything is taken control of out of the iPad that's affixed here.
Yep. Wow, it gives us the GPS.
Okay, so for GPS on this, all you have to do is talk to it, tell it where you want it to go, or
right.
Or you could type it in, for example.
Okay.
So give me an address and.
How
about
Spring Mills?
Navigate to Spring Mills. Navigate to Spring Mills. See, it's going to calculate, and then it's going to show us how we're going to get there.
Yeah. It's just turn here and turn right, basically.
Okay. So to go forward in this, here's the stalk on the side here is where you control it. So down once, it goes into drive.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And then here's your speedometer on here.
Right, got it.
Now turn right onto Locust Street.
It's a lovely roof, isn't it? It's like a wide, big
glass roof the whole way back.
Now turn right onto West Main Street.
Go here and show the camera on yourself, and I'll show you the Tesla smile.
What? Put the camera on myself.
Put the camera on yourself. Are you ready?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
We just got it up to 60 miles an hour.
That was like. That was like.
It is
oh my gosh!
Instant torque.
That is like. There's no hesitation. It's like.
Just go.
Oh my gosh! That was like. That's what they call the Tesla smile, isn't it?
That's the Tesla smile. Yeah.
So I suppose passing a vehicle, if you need to, is just...
Yeah, because even at, okay, we're doing 44 kilometers an hour right now. I put my
oh
foot
my
down,
gosh!
And we just jump. You can see how fast we're up to 67.
I've never felt such a push.
Yeah.
An instantaneous push. I mean, it's just like... just gets you right in the back. It just
there's no lag, there's no changing gears because it's a motor, not an engine, and it's just instant torque. And then you can also put it into autopilot. So I tap down twice, I can take my hands off the wheel for up to 90 seconds, and it's going to keep us right in the middle of the lane, and it's going to take all the curves. See this car up ahead of us, and it'll automatically.
Oh, it's already seen it.
It's already seen it.
You didn't brake that.
I didn't brake.
Oh gosh, it brakes well ahead, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It really identifies the vehicle.
Yeah. And then it can read the speed sign, so it knows that 45 is the speed limit. So it'll max me out at 50 is the most I'm allowed to do. I'm only allowed to do 5 when it's in autopilot. If I take it off autopilot, then I can drive whatever speed I want. But here's another turn right here, and the car will just take it on its own.
It's just completely doing it on its own. My gosh.
Touch the brake, and it takes it off of the autopilot.
Okay.
And I'm back control again.
pretty easy to drive then, really.
Yes.
I mean, it does most of it. It does for you.
Yeah.
So it has, how many cameras does it have?
It has 8 cameras in it. 3 at the front, 2 on the sides, 3 at the back.
I had a little tour of inspection and I counted all the cameras that I could find. I found them, identified them all.
Did you? Okay.
Yeah, every one of them.
And then at any time, if you want to see what's behind you and what's going on, you just push the
Oh,
button.
that's behind view.
That's behind us.
Oh, I see.
Which is what it automatically goes to whenever you put it into reverse.
Right, right.
And then if you don't like this kind of a map, you just touch on there and it becomes Google Map.
Got it. It's a decent map as well, decent.
Yeah, it's good size.
So this gives you, your battery life gives you a range,
That gives me my battery. Yeah.
216 miles
Left
before,
to go.
yeah.
And there's a pictorial of the battery itself. So
Right.
you can see that's where I charge it to is that line there, and that's how much I've used since last night.
Okay. And you say these batteries are good for 8 years?
8 years warranty on them, and they guarantee there'll be 70% battery life after the 8 years minimum.
Wow. That's pretty impressive. Is that irrespective of how many miles you take it?
Unlimited mileage is my understanding.
So
yes.
what is the typical, I mean, I know these cars have not been around for a long time, but what's the sort of, will they do like hundreds of thousands of miles?
Yeah, I think they're projected to do hundreds of thousands, yeah. Because you don't have all the different moving parts that you have in a gasoline engine.
I see, yeah. I was interested in the AC system, the temperature control, how it's deflected by air coming up.
Coming up and coming out. So you can go on there and just with your finger, you can move it around to where you want that air being shot to.
Oh, wow. Well, that's cool. So I see here it's, so if can I just touch it here?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And that brings it,
That brings
that's
it down.
you, that's for you.
mine,
But for
that's
me,
yours.
if
Yeah.
I want it more in my face, I bring it down like that.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I feel it now. Gosh. I'm gonna have to have another Tesla Smile soon, yeah.
We can do that.
Oh my god! Wow, that is like...
In 1 mile, turn sharp left onto Penn's Cave Road, then turn left onto West Firehall Road.
You've got quite a bit of space in the back there.
There's a fair bit of space, yes, and there's a large, generous trunk.
I wish it was a hatchback rather than a...
Yeah.
I always miss the old
that way.
hatchback cars that they don't seem to make anymore. But they used to. This is basically spring mills up here. We could,
Okay,
you can turn around anywhere. Well, it'll tell you where to turn around, but just where that yellow tree is at the end there, that maple, there's a you can turn in just up there. Or you can pull off to the right, there's a space there, and then turn back.
Is there a side road just up here?
Yeah, you either turn left, but then you've got to have to do a maneuver, or you just pull off to the right, just on the corner there, there's a big sort of space.
All right.
And then you could turn.
There we go. You want to take it back?
What, me drive it?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Sure.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
To get out, you just push that button right on there.
Yep, that's right. And then there's another button as well, isn't there,
There's
underneath?
a safety button. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, folks, we're going to stop this video here. I hope that I'm going to successfully be able to get back with the help of Tesla and Jim. And thanks for joining us. Hey, we keep practicing. And yeah, see ya. Okay.